In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of digital currency and exploring everything from its origins to its current status as a hot topic in the financial world. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or completely new to the space, this video will have something for everyone. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. So, what is cryptocurrency? Well, to put it simply, cryptocurrency is a digital currency that is secured by cryptography. It is decentralized and operates on a peer-to-peer network, which means that it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been created, each with their unique features and use cases. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrencies are built on a technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions. Whenever someone buys or sells cryptocurrency, that transaction is recorded on the blockchain. The blockchain is maintained by a network of users, who are called nodes. These nodes verify and validate transactions, and in exchange for their work, they receive a small amount of cryptocurrency as a reward. This process is known as mining. Each cryptocurrency has its unique rules and algorithms for mining. For example, Bitcoin mining involves solving complex mathematical problems using specialized hardware called ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits. Ethereum, on the other hand, uses a different algorithm that allows miners to earn rewards by verifying transactions and creating new blocks. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about cryptocurrency? Well, there are several reasons. For one, cryptocurrency is very secure. Transactions are recorded on the blockchain, which means they cannot be altered or tampered with. Additionally, because it's decentralized, there's no need to go through a financial institution to make a transaction, which can save time and money. Another benefit of cryptocurrency is that it's very accessible. Anyone with an internet connection can buy and sell cryptocurrency, which means that people in countries with unstable currencies or limited financial services can use it to transact. Furthermore, cryptocurrency offers some exciting use cases beyond just being an alternative to traditional currency. For example, it can be used for peer-to-peer lending, crowdfunding, or even for secure voting systems. However, there are also some risks associated with cryptocurrency. One of the biggest risks is volatility. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate rapidly, which can make them a risky investment. Additionally, because cryptocurrency is not regulated, there's a risk of fraud and scams. Moreover, cryptocurrencies have faced regulatory scrutiny in many countries, which has led to restrictions on their use or outright bans. For example, China recently banned all cryptocurrency trading and mining activities, citing concerns over financial stability and risks to its citizens. So, there you have it. That's everything you need to know about cryptocurrency. From its humble beginnings as a niche technology to its current status as a hot topic in the financial world, it's clear that cryptocurrency is here to stay. While it's not without its risks, it's also a technology with incredible potential. Whether you're looking to invest in cryptocurrency or just learn more about this fascinating new technology, there's no doubt that it's worth exploring. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.